wrong, Kenzie? What's wrong? Are you sad? Oh, I'm sorry. Mommy just wants to take a little video of you for Daddy's sake, okay? What are you looking at? Tell Mommy what you're looking at. What? You're sad? You found Daddy's picture on the wall and makes you sad that you can't see him? See, it keeps on looking back. I keep on looking back at Daddy. Oh, it's okay. Daddy's coming back tomorrow. And then you'll see him on Friday. Kenzie? Daddy's coming back tomorrow, okay? I know you keep on looking over there. You want him to come out of that picture, don't you? It's okay. 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 Kenzie? I'm gonna go to Daddy again. You gonna go up to the picture? There's the picture. I'm walking towards the picture. I'm walking. Dad. Where's Daddy? Oh, it's okay. Okay. Okay.